This is the virtual frog dissection by me, Riley Lose. First, make 3 incisions to the frog in order to open it up and to see the internal organs. The first one to take out will be the liver. The frog's liver is used to make an interesting substance known as bile. Bile is used to help the small intestine digest fat. The next organ to take out is the heart. The frog's heart is used to pump blood to keep the circulation going in its body. Along with that, it also brings oxygen and nutrients to various parts of the body that are in need of it. Next is the gallbladder. The gallbladder stores the bile which is produced by the liver. After that, we take out the stomach. The stomach makes chyme, which breaks down food or anything the frog swallows with its powerful acid. Next is the small intestine. The stomach sends the chyme to the small intestine to finish the process of digestion. Next are the fat bodies. The fat body stores all of the fat from the frog. Next is the spleen. The spleen recycles and sort of restores the red blood cells that are going throughout its body. Next is the large intestine. The large intestine is wider than the small intestine, and it also absorbs water. It sort of kicks off the digestion process, and it leads into the small intestine. Next are the lungs. The lungs store the air and oxygen which is taken in through the glottis. Lastly, we have the kidneys. The kidneys takes in water and blood and separates the two, and also filters out all the liquid that it intakes, and it makes urine. That's the end of the virtual frog dissection.